that green light. Give me that green light, Maine. Give me that green light. Give me that green light, Maine. Give me that green light. Give me that green light, Maine. Give me that green light. Give me that green light, Maine.
Tonight's Greenlight Maine is sponsored by the Finance Authority of Maine. FAME works for me.
Our first pitch is from Go Lab. I'd like to welcome Dr. Joshua Henry. Whenever you're ready, just take it away.
My name is Joshua Henry. I'm a materials chemist and president of Go Lab based in Belfast, Maine. At Go Lab, we're a building products company focused on the development of an alternative to foam board insulation. The three things that you need to know about foam board insulation is that it's ubiquitous in the construction industry. It does about $4 billion in annual sales in the United States, and it's terrible. It's terrible because foam is plastic, and manufacturing plastic requires a lot of the two things that insulation is designed to conserve: energy and fossil fuels. It's also toxic, flammable, and cannot be recycled. So why do we use it? It's simple, really. There is no cost-competitive, scalable alternative. At Go Lab, we're changing that. Over the last year, we've received a number of grants for the development of a structural wood fiber-based board that insulates as well as foam and performs better in construction applications because it breathes. It's also renewable, recyclable, and most importantly, can be manufactured cost competitively in the state of Maine. But the really important question is, will builders actually use it? Well, in the European Union, where insulating wood fiberboard is already a commercial product, it's the fastest growing segment of that market. And our market analysis suggests that in the US, within the first 5 years, Go Lab could be doing well more than $10 million in gross revenue annually, focusing largely on the high performance building market. And at Go Lab, we know this market better than anyone. Our sister company, GoLogic, is a national leader in passive house design and construction. We've built over 60 passive structures across the United States. We built the first certified passive house in Maine, 12th in the United States, and have won a number of national awards for our design, construction, and building performance. To be impressed by any of that, you have to know what Passive House is. Passive House is an engineering-based approach to design and construction that results in buildings that consume 1/10 of the energy of those built to standard US code. It's the future of all construction in the United States, and this market has grown exponentially in the last 10 years. Contrast that with the Maine forest products industry, which in the last 2 years has lost $1.5 billion in net economic impact and seen the closure of 7 paper mills across the state. Our product uses the same sawmill residuals used to make paper, and the introduction of a new commercial product would be a major boost for this industry. And with the help of Greenlight Maine, we could make that happen in 18 to 24 months.
Excellent. Nice job. So are companies using this right now in Maine?
Some companies are using it in Maine, actually. The main barrier to using this is that it's about twice the price of foam, and that is largely due to the cost associated with shipping it from Europe.
Okay. First question, Terry.
So you would anticipate then manufacturing this product in Maine. That's part of the concept. Can you expand on that a bit?
Yes, we do. We think there's the bandwidth to think about manufacturing new products in Maine due to the decline of the paper industry. There's definitely the expertise in Maine, and we're regionally close to the area where the high performance building market is growing the fastest.
Okay, Nancy.
I like the idea of this product because it's kind of like not letting any fish leave the state without its head on.
Yeah.
What would your marketing plan be, Dr. Henry, as far as getting the word out to your target audience?
That's really important because the construction industry is notoriously reticent to changing things up. We've already basically started in talking to companies that are similar to our sister company, GoLogic, in terms of thinking about offtake agreements. In order to build a manufacturing plant in Maine, we're going to need commitments from a number of these companies. So that's where we started, and then we're going to move into the standard construction industry.
And Meredith, last question.
Thank you. So, great product, great idea. It is currently not being manufactured anywhere in the United States,
Nowhere in North America.
but in Europe it is.
It is.
And do you think that you can get to a financially scalable size and volume to get the price down so that you can really
Quick
work on
answer.
that?
Yes, we do. We think we can get to a price that's cost competitive with foam.